July 4th, 1983. I was feeling very depressed, very lonely. I felt like I had had enough of this world, and I walked to the subway and jumped in front of a train.
I have, in my life, growing up, suffered from severe depression and anorexia and self-mutilation, and I have been extremely suicidal in my past, and I can talk about it now because I don't feel that way anymore. But I think I have spent many years in the dark, and I know what it's like to hurt.
So I jumped to the side, and as the train came by, I was able to squeeze up. It clipped my left forearm and fractured my arm. Anyway, I was lucky, and I survived. It's a message about hope. Probably all of us at one point in our life have felt that way. You need to hang on, and it's about hanging on and meeting somebody that you connect with.
I have seen the light, and I know that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I know that this love story that Anthony has written about hope and about grace and about second chances is absolutely 100% true. Thank you for your donation. It is going to give wings to a story that will not only be a beautiful journey for us artists, but it will change so many people's lives and save some lives and bring a lot of hope and joy into a world that really needs it.
You will laugh, you will cry, and you'll be like,
Just like